Damn kids. Remember, I'm older than your dad.
That's okay.
It's very nice to get a zoom in of these fireworks at maybe like, I don't know, 2.9.
Heck yeah, it is.
This is Seth. He's a very intelligent young man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seth?
He's a brilliant, he's say like work lane.
Oh! That was a big one. Imagine them shooting the fireworks off at the boat over there.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah. Well, probably might have seen. We'll probably sink it.
Crazy for me. That's a climb.
This day can never get any worse. I just hope North Korea doesn't launch their nuke again.
I hope so too.
I mean, like, at least Trump is planning to destroy North Korea.
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well.
Get rid of Joe Biden.
Oh wow. That's not very far.
Let's go kayak.
Oh, you can do it. I'm supposed to wake up at 7.
Bro! Now this.
There's no way that's the finale already. That was weak.
Come on.
At
It
least
was,
20,000 now.
as far as I know, it's literally now 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Exactly. Alright, I need to go back to my crew, but you guys enjoy the show.
Thanks for dancing.
Thank you.
Oh, I got to see that one. They want you out with that lady, and you guys go right down by the tree. Hold your balls. Give me his balls. He's got 3 of them. That's saying something.
At least I'm finally picking it. Wow. Oh, that's a good one.
I think, Lenny, I think we're jumping on the roof. Star Spangled, huh? Oh, they're down there low.
You know what, dude?
Huh?
I need to see this.
Yeah!
Bruh.
I got fart more of that. Yeah, whatever. So did you try the piss on call yet? No.
Pee on
I
Carl.
rarely drink at home, but I have to be in the mood to do it. Well, you need a nice warm day.
That's dead to me.
But with all the fucking beer that I'm pounding, it's like I usually don't drink Mondays and Tuesdays. I probably won't drink tomorrow or Sunday. Well, Sunday I will be drinking something at my hands. No, Monday. You got Monday off?
I like recording this.
Yes.
This is very fun.
Yeah.
But I
And look at that. We're almost already 5 minutes in.
These like bottle rockets. Bottle rockets.
Mostly these are North Korean.
Mostly
Mostly these.
My walking path's going to be screwed. It's going to be all these fireworks.
Yep, and I did.
Nah, they did it on the other side. You don't walk on the other side. Where's the closest place to go?